Klaviyo, Mailerlite. Which one should we use? So many options these days. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to compare these two titans and see which one offers better features and which one ultimately is an easier workflow. So let's get into it. So the first thing I want to have a look at is how these platforms are actually priced. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is jump into the pricing on Klaviyo. You can see that they do have a free plan and you get up to 500 monthly emails, 150 SMSs, and you get your email support. They do have a $45 and a $60 plan, and you get a fair amount more of monthly emails and SMSs. You also are able to customize the amount of SMSs you can send, and that will alter the total price, as you can see. Mailerlite, they also have their free plan. They offer 12,000 monthly emails. They have 24/7 email and chat support for your first 30 days. They've got fantastic features. And if you do decide you want to upgrade, it's $9 a month, not $45 a month. Even their advanced plan, their most expensive plan, is $18 a month. They also allow you to use this sliding scale. So depending on how many subscribers you have, you can see that it changes the pricing, and it's still very, very cost effective. Now let's have a look at the actual platforms itself. Klaviyo offers a bunch of automations. They offer a drag and drop web page builder, and you can build flows, you can build landing pages and newsletters. So going into flows, you can see that if you go down here, you can have a look at all of these different flows. All right, so if you click on create flow and you go and choose a flow that you would like to create, so let's say the welcome series, you can name it, add some tags, and give it a trigger. So we're going to say create flow, and this is the fun part. You basically get to set this up, and this will happen now automatically. So once you created a flow, you can actually have a second flow or an additional flow to take action once the last action of this flow has taken place. So as you can see here, it says welcome email number 2, and that's the social media email. And what you can do is you can connect another flow to this last card over here. So as you can see, everyone that you click on the left hand side, you've got some actions. On the right hand side, you can customize this card and each one of these cards within this flow. And when you're done, you can just save it, and it will continue to run in the background without your assistance. Again, Mailerlite's got the same thing. You can go down here to automations, and they have the very same thing. You can go and create flows. Let's say new automation. They've got fantastic templates, and they've also got this welcome template, which is great. That means you don't have to look after your customers one by one. So you can just set up a work trigger. So on the left hand side, you can choose what the actual trigger is, and you can select the email that gets sent to them. You can also add cards in over here from an email, a condition, an action, and so forth. Klaviyo does have a few more features in terms of what they have available with the workflows. And I'm just going to jump back here again. You can see Klaviyo also allows you to create sign-up forms. And if you go here into content, they have email templates that you can use, which basically allows you to build templates and use existing templates from their template library. So once you go in and you choose one of these templates, you can completely customize this template. So you can add all your own information, all your own media, all your own brand colors. You can remove elements, you can add in, you can alter everything that you see over here. On the left hand side from your menu, you'll see the exact same thing. You can create a form, use a template, and you can customize everything within that template. So everything is customizable. All you need to do is click down on these items. You can also move them around. You can add new elements and save and send, and you can use this continuously. Now let us know which one is the better option for you. Personally, I do believe that Mailerlite's pricing is better. However, Klaviyo does have more features available. We'll see you in another awesome video. Peace out.